So in less than 2 minutes, this is how I restored this 1991 Toyota Sera. I bought the car for €250 in 2019. As you can see, the wings were completely rusted. There was rust all over the car. The engine bay was destroyed. The seats were ripped. The carpet was ripped. The windscreen was cracked. All the suspension needed to be changed. All the brakes, the two front wings needed to be replaced. I ended up spraying the car the original factory colour and it was okay, but then the head gasket went. I think it was gone all along, but instead of fitting a standard engine, I put in the turbocharged engine from the start of turbo. I made my own intercooler and exhaust, fitted some Recaros, and then I decided to make my own body kit. I was a bit out of my depth here, but I got it done. I think I did an okay job of it. And then afterwards I came back and I resprayed the car once again. This time I went for matte silver, which was a bit challenging, to be quite honest with you, but the results speak for themselves. Guys, you're not going to want to miss the next episode of Drive Quirky. We're going to make a longer video. We're going to do a deeper dive on the restoration. I'm going to tell you all about the turbo swap, putting in the 6-speed gearbox. So make sure you subscribe and make sure you watch our next video because you're going to love it.